If you were asked, what is required to celebrate Mass well, what would you say? You might think of certain objects, things like the bread and wine, the altar, the crucifix, the lectionary. Or maybe you would think of people with key roles, like the priest, the lector, the musicians, or the altar servers. All of these are important, but there is another critical piece: the role of the assembly. The Second Vatican Council put renewed emphasis on the people of God who make up the body of Christ. Mass is best celebrated with the community gathered. When the people of God actively participate in the Mass according to their role, Christ is truly present. In fact, the directions on how to celebrate Mass say that Mass begins not when the priest is ready or when the church is set up, but when the people are assembled. In other words, we do not go to church. We are the church. So what then is the role of the assembly? What do we do? This series will highlight the ways the assembly makes liturgy happen by prayer, silence, singing, offering our gifts, and communion with the body of Christ. By learning more about this role, we hope you will be able to enter into a more active participation in the liturgy and appreciate more fully the power of the gathered community in the Church's celebrations.